Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas that shiver.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Lord Bong Sniper 69, Lord Bong 941, and just the all-around Lord of all bongs. And today I just want to do a couple unboxings. One has already been done and I told the person thank you, but I wanted the world to know. My buddy Aaron Sharif, he's been a subscriber and a good friend of mine for a long time. And he bought me another mask, as you can see right here, the gold one. He bought me this one a while back, and then he just sent me this one. So I gotta say, that's pretty freaking cool. So you know what I'm saying? Thank you, Aaron. I know you'll watch this video from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me. Thank you so much. And then at the same time, we're here to do the unboxing of the Eachine H8 Mini. I apologize. I bought this for my son, and it was only like $12. It was on sale. It's normally like $25. But this thing does flips, it does rolls, it does pirouettes and everything else. And I want my son to learn how to fly drones. I love doing stuff with my son, and I just think it's too cool. Alright, so we're going to pull it out of the box. Alright, hold on. We got the empty box. We got instructions. Okay, we're going to need those. And we got the charging cable, some extra props. Really, I'm gonna have to order some extra props. They didn't give you too many. And a screwdriver and a rubber grommet of some sort. Those are probably for the feet. Alright. So, there's that. And then there's the quad itself with the little controller. It's got a little mini PlayStation controller. Alright, I drop everything out. It's gonna need batteries. And the little quad already has the battery in it. And there you go. I got you get the green and, you know, black version, which I would normally get, but my son is obsessed with red, so I got him the white and red. And there's the controller. Little PlayStation controller for my son. I thought that was just kind of cute. So for $12, you can't beat that. And so we're gonna go out and take it out and fly today, and I'm gonna take him to the park, and I'm gonna fly my Eachine 250, and he's gonna fly this one, and he's gonna learn to fly drones. I know it's not a beginner drone, but hell, if he can learn how to fly this, then he can fly anything. And then I'm gonna move him on up. So there you go, $12, can't beat it. So as always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll have the flight videos coming out soon. Peace. Derpa 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 derpa.